How do I get Thunderbird to open an ICS attachment directly in Lightning's calendar? I'm using Mozilla Thunderbird 9.0.1 with Lightning 1.1.1. Is there an easier way to import an ICS file attached to an email than saving it to disk, then in calendar going to File in GT, Open? If I select Open with Thunderbird from the Save dialog, it just opens a new mail message and attaches the file to it. I did see this older question, but it refers to much older versions of Thunderbird and Lightning. Update: I've updated to 10.0 and 1.2, respectively, and it still doesn't work right. Update to Bugzilla.
For Thunderbird 15.0, Lightning 1.7, the following procedure works for me. Open the Today pane EA. The Events panel on the right-hand side next to the email list. Drag and drop the ICS file onto that pane. In my case, Kubuntu 12.04, it will create the event. Hope this helps. NB in Windows 7, you need to hold the Control key down while dragging the ICS file onto the Events pane. Right-click on the mail and click Convert and GT Event.
On Windows, save the attachment to the desktop. From Events and Task select Import. Select the ICS to be added to the calendar. From the calendar pop-up, select which calendar to add the event.
If you have the Lightning Calendar extension installed on Thunderbird and have the Events pane open, you can add an ICS file by holding the Control key and then dragging the ICS file onto the Events pane. The Control key needs to be pressed on Windows 7, but apparently it may work without pressing the Control key on Windows 10 and Linux. The only problem with it seems to be it doesn't manage to parse the start time and end time from the ICS file properly. Instead, it just marks the event as an all-day event and disregards the actual start and end times, on Windows anyway. Not sure about Linux, the rest of the info seems to be picked up correctly. There is a bug open in Bugzilla for this issue, ICS files not being able to be directly opened in Thunderbird/Lightning. If enough people vote for this bug, it's more likely it will get fixed. To vote for the bug to get fixed, create an account on Bugzilla, then go to Opening or Adding ICS Files to Calendar by double-click. Under the header titled Importance there is a link that says Vote. Click that, then add a tick to the bug and then click Change Votes.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.